Hey guys, you're wondering where I am. Well, I'm in my basement. Now, you've watched the slime video with my brother. I found these slimes down here. And I'm going to show you them. So first slime, I'm going to start with this one. This one right here. It feels like slime, I guess. I guess you could say so. It's a little hard. Like, it stretches nice though. But it feels like a little weird. See what I mean? And it's like this mint green color. See? Guys, ooh, I can maybe use this as a hair extension, but that's a bad idea. I'm okay with this slime, I guess. Because, like, it just rips. Like, look at it's hard. Wow. But there's the... Now, the other slime looks like more gooder, I say. Because, like, look at this. So spark. Oh, I totally remember when I made this. I made this, but I made it. I had two slimes that I got from Christmas from Santa. It was this white one and this like pink one. I mixed them together because I thought it would be better, but then I found laundry detergent because usually laundry detergent. Well, yeah, laundry detergent